Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm Chris Mazzarella, and you're watching No Reserve Classic. And before we get started, if you haven't done it already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, because you never know, your dream ride could be in the next video. All right guys, and here we have it, a meticulously restored, multiple show-winning 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS ProTouring Restomod. Under the cowl induction hood lies an Eric Nichols-built 496 cubic inch motor with over 600 horsepower. This Chevelle is featuring a deep gloss black paint job with a sinister black on black flush fit front and rear bumpers with deeply laid white painted stripe. Custom two-piece 19 and 20 inch wheels hold the Chevelle down to the road. A fully restored interior has a full TMI interior with a kick-in sound system and of course digital Dakota gauges. And with this being a Pro Touring car, you know it has those modern amenities such as power disc brakes, power steering, and even air conditioning. But what the Chevelle is all about is a super solid underbody with front and rear QA1 adjustable coilovers, a 4-link rear with UMI performance accessories, and even a 12-bolt rear end that will not only light up your smile, but will light up the road ahead on those awesome Firehawk tires. And for your added convenience, we've broken this video down into multiple sections down below. So if you're looking to learn more about one particular section, just go ahead and find it and click ahead. And I know you can't be with me here today on this beautiful turntable, but if you visit us directly at No Reserve Classics, you'll be able to view the beautiful exterior of all of our cars. That's right, a simple swipe of a finger, and you'll be able to view the beautiful exterior of all of our builds. After you're done with that, click on the top left-hand corner so you can view a virtual 360-degree interior tour as well. And if you have any questions on how to get this Chevelle into your garage, feel free to give me a call, Chris, at 1-800-562-7815, and I'll be sure to guide you through the full process. guys, and thank you for taking that ride with us. We really hope you enjoyed that point of view driving video. All right, so let's take a look at this 1970 Chevelle. Under the cowl induction hood lies an Eric Nichols-built 496 cubic inch motor with over 600 horsepower. It has been mated up to a turbo 400 automatic transmission that has been fully built to withstand all the torque and horsepower that is given to it. A few of the components that have been installed on this motor are vintage air conditioning, power steering, an electric fueling system by Fast, and even a 150 amp alternator. Keeping this engine cool is no easy task, with a 4-row aluminum radiator paired with dual electric remote fans that can be accessed inside the cabin. Every aspect has been thought through to keep this engine running at optimal temperature, and it even has a remote oil filter and reservoir. Not only does this Chevelle have the go, but it has the show to back it up. A fully flushed out firewall gives it a classy look, but paired with the Hotchkiss hood latches, Eddy motorsport hood hinges, and fully chromed out and polished engine compartment. With over 600 horses being delivered, stopping is a key factor. Full disc brakes are on all 4 corners with drilled and slotted rotors and are powered by a Hydroboost braking setup. This is definitely a motor that deserves to be put on a pedestal. The exterior of this Chevelle still retains its iconic shape and classic muscle car appearance. The body has not only been ceramic coated, but also features a complete paint protection film that has been applied to the complete lower section, from front to back and the front nose, and even on the inner door handles. The front end of this Chevelle sports a Randy's front and lower spoiler that has been painted to match not only the exterior, but the custom shaved and tucked front and rear bumpers, giving it a very modern appearance. The front headlights have been changed to a more reliable LED system with a split headlight design. The steel cowl hood still functions correctly and is held in place by Hotchkiss hood pins. Along the side are custom forged 19 and 20 inches Rushforth 2-piece billet wheels that have been wrapped in Firehawk Indy 500 tires. The exterior glass has been recently replaced and also features tinted windows, keeping the interior of this car cool while you're parked. The exterior of this vehicle is a perfect blend of classic muscle car appearance with subtle modern touches. As we embark onto the interior of this Chevelle, make no mistake, this is not your grandfather Chevelle from 1970. Not only has the full exterior and underbody been completely restored, but the interior has been revamped as well. A full TMI interior seating features the Sport XR line and matches from front to rear. The TMI XR interior also flows into the front door panels and the rear inner panels. Along with the new carpet and headliner, the comfort flows through your fingertips into the Flaming River waterfall steering wheel. The steering column is fully adjustable with a matching Flaming River brand as well. The gauges have been replaced with digital Dakota digital VHX gauges, giving a clear and accurate readout. Attached to the newly installed dash is a vintage air conditioning and factory appearing retro sound radio with a sound system that surrounds you from custom-made kick panels and rear speakers powered by a high-powered Alpine amplifier mounted in the trunk. One item you will not notice visually, but makes a huge impact, is the fully installed use of Dynamat through the full interior, giving this Chevelle the solidarity you can not only hear, but feel as well. Giving this Chevelle the ProTouring name is what lies under the solid and stout underbody. During the restoration process, the subframe was powder coated, giving ample rock protection and a show quality finish. RideTech strong arm tubular control arms are paired up with QA1 fully adjustable coilovers up front. Matching QA1 adjustable coilovers are placed in the rear, along with UMI performance box rear control arms and matching front and rear UMI sway bars. A G-force transmission crossmember and Edelbrock tubular braces further strengthen and brace this Chevelle. Delivering over 600 horses to the pavement is the built 12-bolt rear end with Moser rear axles and an Auburn posi with 353 gearing. And don't worry, there won't be any wheel hop with the wheel-added Lakewood no-hop traction bars, letting you lay down those thick rubber straps on the tarmac ahead. And guys, I'm Chris Mazzarella, and you've been watching No Reserve Classics. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call, Chris, at 1-800-562-7815. And if you guys haven't done it already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because you never know, your dream ride could be in the next video.